Thank you. Thank you so much. We produce a paint which goes to clean the air using the light of the sun. It looks strange, but actually it's a quite simple process. What we do, we use the light of the sun as a normal semiconductor. The light of the sun activates a reaction inside the material, which produces an electrons. The electrons reacts with the humidity and the oxygen in the air to produce an oxidant. And this oxidant goes to eliminate viruses and bacteria from the surfaces and eliminates pollutants from the air, mostly NOx, SOx, just as very, very dangerous for the health. The company was founded in 2013. We leverage our research that lasts for 7 years, starting in the middle of the 2000s, because it was very difficult to produce a paint that actually works with this technology. Traditional paint, where we're added with this technology, go to self-destroy because a paint is itself a pollutant. So if we went to the original paint industry, we were to self-destroy the paint itself. So we reinvented, we can say, the paint itself. Now we have a powder, which you add mixing the water, then you apply like a simple paint, both interior and exterior. We have also good color to match. The company was founded by me and by Massimo, which was the inventor of the technology. Now we have a team by Arun, which went from the VC industry. He left the VC industry to join the company. And we have operation in 3 main markets, which are Middle East, which is very, very great market for us now, in South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Central Americas. Those markets are very important for us because the industry of the building industry is growing much more than Europe. So we prefer to start from those countries because the market opportunities were very bigger in size, and that could help us to join. This is how it works. Simply the sun, it is like a photovoltaic panel. We use the energy of a photon to produce an electron on the surface. We have a sort of semiconductor inside of the paint. This starts to react, and that's what we do. It transforms pollutants into inert salts. Those salts are water soluble, so they completely disappear. It same works for virus and bacteria because it's going to eliminate 99.9% from any surface. This also applies for molds and things like that. Another property is that this kind of paint has the ability to reflect the light of the sun in the infrared spectrum, so we can cool a building by 30% just painting the roofs and the exterior walls. In the Emirates market, we have a great opportunity now because there is a lot of constraints on energy savings there. The good part is that sometimes with new technology, you have to reinvent things. You when get bored with your paint, just choose the color. We prefer white, of course, because it works better. We have a 10% reduction using colors on the effect of the paint. But at the end, it's just that. Of course, it sounds snake oil. Nobody believes too good to be true, this kind of things. We did a lot of certification everywhere. Actually, it works. It surprised us at first. It really works. And has a lot of good side properties. For example, the last one, anti-dirt. Because of this property, the dust cannot stay on the surface. So we have the walls, which are whiter, longer than expected, because actually we go to eliminate the grease from oil combustion. And then when the dirts arrive, has no glue to stay on the surfaces. Anti-VOC, you know that VOC are very harmful for health. Formaldehyde is inside a lot of paints. And we are going to have no VOC at all, and we go to reduce VOC as well. The other good part is the numbers. You know that houses are enormous. Just UK has 33 million habitative units. To renovate each is £1,000. So you know the numbers better than me. We started last year, and we had 500,000 revenues. Now we are going to 5 million revenues this year in our current portfolio, and a 25 million pipeline. And we think this could be a great achievement because it's very easy. It applies to all the technology that actually exists today, and it could be a very great success. We are planning to set up a plant here in UK by this April and started to sales in UK, which could be the first market in Europe by April this year. Thank you so much for your time, to opportunity to discuss. Thank you.